I'm so stoned.
Me too. Oh my god. It's the cops. Didn't you hear me? The police are here. I don't want to go to jail.
Relax, scaredy cat. It's nothing to do with us. Scaredy cat. Scaredy cat.
Stop it. We have to leave. Right now.
I'm so stoned.
Straighten up, you idiot. You're gonna get us arrested. Oh jeez. They're getting closer. Right. Let's go. Try to look normal.
Okay, okay. Which way?
I don't know. East or west exit?
West.
West. Phew. That was close.
You were really scared back there, weren't you?
No, I wasn't.
Were too.
So were you.
No, I wasn't, and I'll tell you why. Listen to this.
What is that?
It's my new ringtone.
You little.
Hey, that hurt. I'm so stoned.
Me too.